What's up, my gamers? My name is Neon Gamer 24, and today I will be doing how to make an eggs and cheese sandwich in that microwave. It's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna go get the rest of the stuff. So on my trying an atomic fireball video, I wanted to do this video, but I couldn't because I had no eggs. So now that I do, we can make this video. It's gonna be great. All right. Almost got everything. Now I do. So here's the ingredients you need. Hold on. 1 egg. Doesn't matter what kind of egg. A microwave cup. Crack the egg gently on there till it comes out. Now that may happen. Make sure there's no shells in there. You know there's no shells in there. Put the egg out. Grab 2 napkins. Get the fork. Mix the egg until it looks like that. Sorry, just trying to show you what the egg looks like. If that ever happens to you can't blame me. I didn't do anything. I was just trying to show you the egg. Now, when that egg looks like that, you know that it's time to put it in the microwave. Gotta clean that up. No, 'cause you don't want to mess. Now, when you put the microwavable cup in there, microwave safe, cook it for 40 seconds. Now, you're gonna need this fork later on, so. Oh! Got about one thing. Supposed to put the napkin on. Wet. Get the other napkin wet. Cook it for 40 seconds. I'm gonna cook it for 39. Alright. Now that we got, I don't know if it's gonna work now because I just already messed up. While that's cooking, get all the stuff you want on. I'm just gonna put some bread on and some cheese on. Doesn't matter what kind of cheese, whatever cheese you like. It's cooking. Now, I'm putting on 2 pieces of cheese because I want to. Now, when that microwave stops, I'll show you what it looks like. Smells to me. Oh. That's it. Now grab the fork and put it on. And then you've got a sandwich. Subscribe and like. See you next time.